I'm going to give you a quick tip in Gmail which will help you filter through the emails that you get on the daily. Now, we all know that we can put a star to show the importance of an email, but we can also add in additional icons. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing that you want to do is tap on your settings button in the top right hand corner here and tap on See All Settings. Now, whenever you're in See All Settings, you do want to scroll down a little until you get to the stars section, which you will see here. And now we can drag more of these stars up. So we've got an exclamation mark, a question, and so on. Whenever we're happy enough with what we've got on there, then all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save Settings. Now all you have to do beside each of your emails is click on the star icon and keep clicking until you get to the right icon that you need. And that's just a quick tip on filtering your emails in Gmail.